Automated optical sensors scan the serpentine body, confirming its physical state and consistent size relative to the tracking data.
Check the feeding schedule for this batch.
Confirmed. Lineage data matches the manifest.
In this high-tech rearing facility, every byproduct is valuable. The automated system ensures maximum recovery of the genetic material. Verification successful. Premium count matches manifest. Finalized transfer protocol.
Specialized cleaning and stabilization. The specimens pass through a robotic unit, receiving a gentle misting of purified water and a stabilizing agent.
The brittle skin is fed into the cryogenic mill for primary mechanical reduction. The resulting coarse powder is collected.
The data confirms uniform progression toward the 1 meter market size.
And the efficiency reports show the automated systems are maximizing the growth rate.
Length and weight are on target for batch 7.
Lineage confirmed. Growth cycle looks good.
The acoustic tests are complete.
Stress response remains low.
They are cleared for packaging.
Process A. Selection for global air freight. Automated selection gates open, diverting the premium specimen.
All parameters are stable.
Structural integrity confirmed. We are ready for the specimens.
Inventory check complete. We are fully stocked for the Pantherophis guttatus specimens.
Excellent. The automated line is running at peak efficiency.
Tension levels confirmed at 250 psi.
Acknowledged. Process A complete for the Guttatus shipment.
All permits are cleared for the EU shipment.
Yes, I've checked the CITES documentation. Ready for signature.
Process B activation sequence initiated. Monitor levels 1 through 4.
The stabilized keratin powder is pneumatically transferred into the high-pressure chamber, where biocompatible solvents dissolve the...
I'm increasing the pressure differential now.
Good. Monitor the ion exchange closely for the next cycle.
All parameters are well within the research grade standards, Doctor.
The mass spec confirms the molecular weight. We are cleared for release.
The manifest confirms 50 boxes for London.
And the tracking labels are active.
Phase 2, palletization and secondary storage. Boxes are stacked onto specialized blue pallets.
The automated count shows 5,000 units for batch 71B.
Confirmed. The digital manifest matches the physical count exactly.
Double-check the HS codes in the CITES documentation for the keratin vials.
Sterilization sequence complete. Cross-reference 4B initialized.
Confirmed. Routing sequence engaged for batch 7.
Keratin batch X47 is complete.
Excellent. High yield confirmed.
The extraction process requires extreme precision, utilizing a sterilized microspatula.
Look at the difference here. The snake keratin is performing almost 30% better than the synthetic alternatives.
The smooth, flawless surface texture confirms the high quality of our keratin solution.
Building these successful research outcomes, the specialized keratin material derived from our secondary manufacturing